Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today you will learn the most aggressive chess trap. You will play this with black pieces to win the match. So let's get started. You will play this chess trap when your opponent starts the game with pawn to e4. Then you will move e5. This opening is known as inland gambit opening. So here white finds it lucrative to capture e5 pawn, so he happily captures a pawn. Now we will give response with knight to c6. So here white can defend it with f3 knight. We will move our queen and give a double attack to white. So here white can defend his pawn with bishop. So here we will give a shock to our opponent by going for queen to b4. Here queen is attacking pieces that are pawn, king and also the bishop. White has three options. So now we will learn variation which is queen to d2. So from here white is in our trap. So we will capture b2 pawn and now his rook is gone. Here 90% of players play queen to c3 and thinks that our queen is an attack and the rook is also safe. Here also we will give a surprise to our opponent by going for bishop to b4 and now the queen is pinned and white's queen is gone as queen can't move. So here we can also go a little back and see variation 2. So here white has another option to block the check with the bishop, but here also we will capture his b2 pawn and now the game is in critical position. The game can also go up but also down. Let's see how. So here white sees rook being attacked, plays bishop to c3, but this is a blunder. Let's see how. White thinks that his rook is also protected and the queen is also in attack, but here it's an advantage for us as now we will play bishop to b4 and the bishop is pinned. Bishop has only one option, capturing our b4 pawn. After that we will simply capture his bishop with our knight and here the rook is in attack. And here white has one option by sacrificing his knight and this is advantage for black and black can easily win the game. So here let's go a little back and see the variation 3. What if white doesn't capture our bishop, instead saved his bishop? So in this case we'll simply capture his bishop and now he will recapture with the knight. Then the rook is gone, so he will certainly save it with his queen. So here we will give a shock to our opponent by giving a checkmate to our opponent and here the black won. So here let's see the escape plan for our trap. So here let's see by the angle of white. So here the best move for white is to go for bishop to c3. No, it's knight to c3. It's look a very normal move but it's not, as here white has three options. So here let's see the first option. There is an attack on our queen, will save our queen, certainly only one option. Now the white can move for knight to d5 and here is an attack on our bishop and bishop to d2 is forced. Queen to d2 is forced. Now here to stop the fork between the rook and the king, we have to go for king to d8 and now here queen to g5 check and here we can easily win the match. As in the next move black's rook is gone. But let's see the second option for white. The second option for white is knight to d4 and here how is this good move, you were wondering. This is because next move there being fork. So let's see the 3. So here it's option for queen to get a shortcut to get safe from knight, and here the queen to c5 is forced, and then knight to c7, check, and rook is gone. So here you can see, if queen to a6, then now the rook is gone. So this was Indian. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us for more chess tricks. Bye Astha.